See my crops, a bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Thank you for watching. 100% plus of organically grown tomatoes. Yeah, today is July the 15th, 2022. The joy of being a farmer. Yes, the best time is harvesting time. Yeah, I'm at the Bangerman Organic Farm in Nebraska. Yeah, some of my collard greens that I've harvested this morning. I'm still to harvest more. I just wanted to send you this short video as a teaser, what we call a petit. Yeah, today is July 29, 2022. I've often said the happiest moment in a farmer's life is to see his crops grow, produce fruits, and then harvesting time is the happiest time. So here I am in my Bangerman Organic Farm in Lincoln, Nebraska. Today is harvesting day for cucumbers. So I'm moving around my trellis and I'm going to harvest some cucumbers bound for the market. Yeah, the farmers market of tomorrow will have some cucumbers, and there'll be some happy buyers who eat some of this fresh and healthy 100% organic grown cucumbers. So once more, I'm a happy man doing my harvesting of these healthy cucumbers. And here I am with a final product. You see a tote full of very big, fat, healthy cucumbers. And here in this other tote, the medium size, petite fruits. Thank you for watching and happy eating. It's a happy time, it's a happy day because it's tomato harvest. See, tomato harvest. So I am going to pluck off the healthy and ripe tomatoes from this line of tied tomatoes. So you see, all of this tomato bed is going to give me all the ripe tomatoes that you're going to see at the end. So a lot of hard work since May of this year. Here I am now at the tail end of it all. A happy day. Harvest time. Harvest time of the tomatoes. I am a happy farmer, happy organic farmer. And here finally, see my crops, a bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Bucket full of healthy looking tomatoes. Thank you for watching. 100% plus of organically grown tomatoes. It's harvesting time for the collard greens. You look at the collard greens, be harvesting the collard greens today. And you have problems, you see the holes on the leaves. Insects have been attacking my plants. And since it's organic planting, it's organic gardening, we're trying to not to use insecticides. But you see the effect of not using insecticides. You have holes on my leaves, and the customers don't want this. Yeah, it's painful, but that is some of the problems we go through trying to do organic gardening. So I'll proceed with the harvesting, and then I'll make a short video after harvesting. Thank you. The joy of being a farmer. Yes, the best time is harvesting time. Yeah, I'm at the Bangerman Organic Farm in Nebraska. Yeah, some of my collard greens that I've harvested this morning. I'm still to harvest more. I just wanted to send you this short video as a teaser, what we call a petit. Harvesting of the huckleberry, what we call country jama jama. So you see those two rows of greenery. That is healthy huckleberry ready for harvest. I dedicate this video in memory of my sister, Josephine Mpude Akame, and for my mother, Mama Pinya Mokake. May your souls rest in peace. So here we go. The fruit of hard work. The fruit of hard work. I'm so happy that my vegetables, the gardening experience for this year has been very successful. I'll be able to eat some of this, sell some, and preserve some in the fridge for future use. So thank you, Lord, for the energy. Thank you, Lord, for the know-how. Thank you, Lord, for your love. It's been a good year. I'm happy that I have a bountiful harvest. Thank you for watching. That is the special peppers I'm harvesting. I call it the Iraqi peppers because this particular species was introduced to me by my Iraqi neighbors here. So that is what I'm doing this evening, harvesting these special peppers. And I'm happy. My plants produce a lot of good fruits. You can see there. See there, those are the fruits of this special pepper. You can put them in salads, and you can make some soup with it. So here is the final, the first bucket of these special peppers. I still have a lot on the plants, so hopefully I'll have a second bucket of these special peppers. After 3 months of hard work, see the final product of my hard work, a bountiful harvest. Thank you for watching.